Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you all are having a great day so far. So today on my desk, I have this Snap-On Ratcheting Screwdriver that skips teeth. So in today's video, I will be repairing this ratcheting screwdriver. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. We will begin by removing the shaft and taking a closer look at the front of the driver. We will orient the selector switch all the way to the right, and on the other side of the driver, there is a snap ring that is engaging this cap and holding it into place. We need to compress the legs of the snap ring and slowly lift the cap out of place until it is released. After we slowly release the snap ring, we can remove the top of the mechanism here, remove our snap ring, and take a look at the worn mechanism here. As we can see, there are two springs actively pushing on the pawls to engage on this gear. So we will remove these springs, we will remove all of these pieces, and replace them with the ones in the repair kit. Starting with this metal piece, followed by a rod with the spring. One rod here with another spring. And finally, these two springs, these two pawls, and this gear. There's also a piece of metal at the very bottom. With all of those pieces now removed, we can begin the reassembly process, placing the rods and springs back into place, placing the two springs on the side, and putting the metal piece back in the bottom. The next step is a little bit tricky. Essentially, you will need to place some pressure on the pawls against the spring so that the gear can slide into place and the pawls can engage on the teeth. And once you are at this point, you will carefully push it in, and the pawls will engage. We will replace the tiny piece of metal at the top. And now that we are at this point, the final step would be to take your snap ring. To align the snap ring, you would just place it down over here. So these ends are facing towards the back. Use a pair of tweezers to compress it and make sure it is aligned with this groove. Place the cap in the proper orientation. Down on the head and twist it to the right, and on the back you will want to squeeze these two snap ring ends until it fits inside that notch. And there you have it. That was just a simple repair of a Snap-on ratcheting screwdriver. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments below. And please consider subscribing, as it helps the channel a lot. Also, feel free to give it a like if the video has helped you in any way. But in any case, thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Take care.